Hello, guys. Good morning to you all. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing okay. So, I haven't posted for quite some time, and that's because I've been struggling with internet connections. And today, I happen to stay connected and I'm connected. So, I just wanted to update you guys from the last buy bias I called out on gold on this particular day. I definitely said we're definitely going to be buying. I'm going to be positioning for a buy trade on gold. That was after marking the high and low of the week. It was on Friday we saw that price eventually from the 4 hour time frame broke above the high looking left by price. So for me, that gave me more confirmation based on the fact that after marking the weekly high, it gave me the directional bias that we're definitely going to be having more momentum. And if you haven't watched the previous video, you should go watch it out because I posted that video talking about the fundamentals, talking about the conflict in the Middle East that definitely gold is definitely being chosen as a safe haven. So I want you guys to definitely pay attention very well and see what really happened by price. So on this day, I called out this buy. I said I was definitely going to be bullish because price has definitely broken above the high of the week. And whenever price breaks the high of the week, there is tendency that price is definitely going to retest this level and then continue on the original direction where price is going to. So on this day, here was definitely the first entry position, and then price eventually took time, consolidated, and then what happened again was saw price pull back to the same level. Mind you, I'm definitely on my intermediate time frame in the 1 hour time frame. So we saw price consolidating. We saw the buyers trying to take over the market. Unfortunately, the sellers tried to drive the market and push the market below where the buyers have anticipated. So what happened then? Let's fall down to the 15-minute time frame. So from the 15-minute time frame, we can definitely see that price on this level formed a double pattern based on the fact that I do understand price actions very well and I do have strategies and how I trade, my trading plans. When I saw this price action around this level, I immediately knew that there's high tendency that price is likely to move to the up direction. So from this level here, there was a buy from this level, first opportunity, and then we saw price again taking time to eventually do what it tends to do. And like I always say, and what you need to also understand is that as much as we definitely have these confluences, we've seen price and we've seen price action reveal what market is about to do or what it wants to do. At the same time, we need to be able to apply proper risk management. We need to also come with a mindset understanding that as much as we've seen this, we definitely might not play out the way we want. We definitely expect price not to eventually play out the way we anticipated. But at the end of the day, what you're doing is that you've definitely got an edge. And what does edge does for you in my own case, when I found my edge, means when I found my confluences. Like I said, and you've been following and you know what my confluences are. I do look out for four confluences as well. I look out for the psychological level, which acts at support and resistance. And then we look out for the weekly high and low of the week. So, what the weekly high and the low does is to determine or to give us the directional bias for the week. So I look out for trend lines as well, and then I look out for price action. So whenever these confluences comes together, it means I have found an edge. So that's why I've taken this time, based on the fact, like I said earlier, I haven't been able to post. So I've taken this time to update you guys. The week have closed, and the week is definitely going to be open as always. We're hoping and looking forward to the new trading week. So we hope your week was fine, and I want you guys to go and hit the subscribe button if you do love how I analyze my pairs, how I trade, how I talk about my analysis, how I spot my levels, mark out my levels, and allow price to eventually play out. So if you do love how I analyze and trade, I want you to go hit the subscribe button, like, subscribe, and comment.